Hey, dude.
Girl, what is that in your head?
What are you talking about? There's nothing in my head.
Who was that laying on that couch? That's Von Von's son? What you doing, buddy?
I'm playing my game.
You playing your game?
My head hurt too.
Your head hurt? And this nigga right here still asleep on the floor. All that bed up there and we got niggas sleeping on the floor. Von Von, what you say about that? Say hey to the people. Say hey. You being recorded right now, buddy. You on candid camera. No. Christmas tree is still up. We can take that down today. Crazy chickens. Still know where to go.
Hey, dude. Come find me, 'cause I'm really lost.
We're not going up there.